Hey, hey Draco. Hey, come here. Yo. Hey, reach me that cup, slime. Draco, sit right there. Let's go. What up? Hey, I pulled up 2 doors up. Fuck on like me, I'm saying what it is. What you want, smoke or something, bitch? Thank God I got my own now. Feel that I'm not wrong now. Tryna find my soul now. I can go to shows now. Got me a new pop.
Holy shit, what's up YouTube? What's up guys? What's up girls? Today, welcome to another first episode for Fast Kicks. The reason why it's called Fast Kicks is because my old channel was called One Fast Chevy. So, you know, just I don't know, it sounds cool, I like it. Shit, it's mine, so fuck it. But today, man, we're gonna be doing a Yeezy LundMark review. Came out last Saturday. I know I'm a little bit late, but hey, better late than sorry, you know. But here's the shoe, guys. Bam, nice shoe, man. Remind me of the Statics. These are like the dirty Statics, pretty much. Here's the this tag for the shoes. If you ever, you know, it's got the LundMark and LundMark. That's always all Yeezys just usually have just, you know, just one colorway, you know, like LundMark. I got the blacks right here, the blacks, static, LundMark. I got the glow. That's weird, but hey, that's just how it is. But this is the Yeezys, man. So I'm gonna be doing a review today on these badass new shoes. I got some couple sizes left. I got a 5.5, a 10, and a 9.5. I might keep these, I don't know, because this is the first pair of Yeezys that I got for retail, and I'm pretty proud of myself for getting them for retail. So, you know, because it's hard, you know, like these I had to pay resale, man. So, I trip out when I got to pay resale. But if I like them, I'm going to get them. If you want something, you can get it, you know. Like, if I put my mind on something, I can get it, you know what I'm saying? So, you just got to think it like that. You got to think positive. You can't think negative. But, so pretty much how I ended up getting like 12 pairs of Yeezys. The LundMark, like all different sizes, small sizes, you know. The money makers are going to be a size 10 and down. That's all you want to make. You don't want to get on 11, 12, fuck that. You're going to keep that shit's going to stay at the store. I mean, there's a little bit of money to be made if you can get a lot of pairs. If you get a lot of pairs, shit, go ahead, you know. But if you're able to win a lot of Yeezys, you got to enter a lot of raffles. A lot. Like, I don't even know, I ended up, like, physically, like, these tickets, like, all around the malls, this becomes a job, really. You gotta drive around and just sign up for raffles. This is what I like doing, you know, so this is my hustle, so this is what it's gonna be. But you gotta get a lot of raffles, you know, you gotta sign up, and hopefully you win, you know, hopefully they call you, let you know you win. You gotta pick them up, you gotta be fast, you gotta go pick them up. So, if you wanna know how to make money, you know, or just you come in here, because whatever new shoe comes out, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna let y'all so I can do the review, and you know, so y'all can see it, you know. You're gonna see it by me. So let's get into it, guys. So this is the Yeezy LundMark right here, guys. You know what I'm saying? Came out last week. I think it was the 13th, 12th. One of those days. I don't know. LundMark. Here it is, brand new. I haven't worn them. No tag. They see like those Yeezys right there. That one has a tab, that one has a tab, and the black one right there has a tab. But yeah, guys, nice shoe, man. I like the new Yeezys, how they come out with this, and I do like it with no tab. I think it looks a little bit better, you know, because this is already there, you know. So why would you need? I mean, it looks cool. I like it, you know. Yeezy doing something different. So this is the shoe with the flash on. As you can see, the shoelaces are reflective, and also the 3 Yeezy stripes right here. And like I said, got the Yeezy reflective right there. Let me know if you want to do a review on that shoe. And also I got the Yeezy glows, man. Those are my favorite shoe. You know, I like these right here. They glow in the dark. I got the black ones right there. But nice shoe overall, man. Like I said, it reminds you of the Yeezy Static. This is a dirty Static, but hey, man, it's a nice shoe. Anything Yeezy is Yeezy. Yeezy. But man, I appreciate you for joining in this first episode on Fast Kicks. Like I said, let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you interested. You know, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know if you ended up grabbing your pair, your size, and how much you paid, man.
Die before these Christmas, I ain't scared. I'm on face. Give a fuck about where you with or who you with, bitch. I didn't mean I got my own now. Feel that I'm not wrong now. Tryna find my soul now. I can go to shows now. Got me a new pole now. I don't need no hoe now. I'm about to cop that rose now. Living on my own now. Turned up, I won't turn down. Happy in my songs now. Bitch, you better not test me. You excited that I'm gone now. Bought mom's a new home now. Bought Draco a new buzz down. My judge said she happy I'm on track, so I'm not wrong now. Lamborghini with the doors up. Money got a nigga froze up. Northside, I'ma throw it up. Big house with a high tub. Ran it up, got $1 million plus. G-Wagon gave it to my thug. 40 Glock, I'ma keep it tough. On live, he ain't see him running up. Living in